Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another update. In previous videos, I have tried my level best to try to help people like having problem with the clutch for Dodge Dart. I uploaded few videos. I hope like some people took an advantage of that or got some kind of an help from those videos. So, and after selling that Dart, I bought this one. This is 2017 Chevy Volt. I bought it from the auction. So when I bought it, I was scared because I never had like a hybrid or electric car before. So this was my first experience, but it was very neat and clean, scratchless. Only the problem was the mileage. The mileage was 300,000 plus on it. But then when I checked the car, because in the auction you can check the car, you can start, you can take like a small kind of OBD meter code reader, so you can scan and you can check. So when I checked that, it had no codes whatsoever. The battery was completely dead. The engine was noisy a little bit, so I got scared. But anyways, when I came on a line and I bid for it and I bought it. It's not very cheap but not very expensive, so I bought it and I took it out and I filled up the gas. And when I started driving, then because I didn't have any knowledge whatsoever about the hybrid or electric, so I didn't know how does it work. But after it was like more than 2 hours drive from the auction to my place, so it drove very well, very well. It gave me a mileage on the dash 4 liters per 100 kilometers. It doesn't do 4 liters per 100 kilometers, but it does approximately like 5-6 liters per 100 kilometers, because this engine works as a generator. So I can charge the battery. In summer it gives me almost like 120 kilometers. It shows it shows 120 kilometers, but it gives at least 100 kilometers within city very easily. And after that, if the battery dies, then it goes hybrid. So engine works, and on engine, with the engine it works on the battery, and they help each other all the time. So that's why the mileage on the gas is very good. It's an amazing. I don't know why did they stop making these cars, but this is a very beautiful car. All leather inside, scratchless, neat and clean. Whoever drove this car took complete advantage. So I realized like whoever had this car before, they drove at least 50% on battery, which means the engine is used only 150,000 kilometers or maybe less, right? So I've been driving for last 6, 7, 8 months without any problem. Now one day my wife was driving and she said like it had some kind of a knocking and stuff, and then it gave a smoke. So when I used the scanner, there was no code at all, but there was a stored code which is for the misfire, multiple misfire. So I'm just right now changing the plugs. The main purpose of making this video is to tell people how to change the plugs on 2017 Chevy Volt. I think it's called Premier. So it is very easy. So I changed the air filter first of all, because I didn't know when the previous owner changed the oil filter. The oil I still did not change. An amazing thing is like you don't change the oil on 5,000 kilometers because like 5,000 kilometers it takes a long time to reach to that mileage, because mostly it works on the battery. When I bought it, the oil life was 97%, I believe. It was 97%. It's still After driving 6, 7, 8 months, it's still 68% life for the oil. Oil is still neat and clean. So you change maybe like after a year, one oil change. So I changed the air filter. So you remove these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then take it out and then change the oil filter. And then after that, you have to remove the cover from the engine. This one, there's only one screw, and let me show you. It's different kind of screw, but you can use the star kind of a screwdriver. I don't know what is it called. So this one, it works very fine. So remove this one, pull this one out. There are 2 pins here. One is here and one is here, this one. So remove it. Then 10 millimeter, this the bolt here, remove very easily. It's very easy to remove, like you unlock the pin and then press it and pull it out, the connector. After taking the connector out, then you unscrew this bolt here, pull out this boot here, and then the plug is 14 millimeter. So I bought online, Amazon. It's China made, but these are good plugs. So the recommended one is only what is it called, iridium platinum. So they work on Chevy Volt. I think this should be like for the electric vehicle. So remove these ones. I'm gonna put my plugs back in. The plug over here is the bad one. Let me show you the bad plug here. And I think that's the only reason why it had the misfire. If you look at this plug very carefully, the point, there should be a point at the top which is gone, almost done. So most probably that's the reason why this car gave me the misfire. I hope guys this video will help you. If you guys have to change the plugs, very easy. You don't need to go to any mechanic, save money. The plugs, I hope they will work. They cost me around 30 something Canadian dollars, including tax. But if you go to any store, they ask for, CarQuest was asking 23 something. Same with the APC, AC Delco plug is like 23 something dollars. Napa was even expensive. The dealer obviously more than that. So these ones, I hope if they work even for a year, that's good enough for me. All right guys, if you have any questions, please message me, and if you like my videos, please thumbs up. All right, take care, bye bye.